Before you worry about ease or any kind of other adjustments, find out what your actual body measurements are. We're gonna start with armhole depth. I have this piece of cardboard because it comes in handy if you're trying to take this measurement by yourself or with another person. In order to get the accurate armhole depth measurement of yourself, go ahead and slip the piece of cardboard, or it could be a piece of paper, or it could be a shipping envelope, anything that you're able to make parallel to the floor. Confirm that it's parallel, keep it snug against your underarm, and then you're gonna use your measuring tape. Place the 0 at the very top of your shoulder. You'll find your shoulder bone and the center of it. My t-shirt kind of helps. I can use that to help me. Flattening out your measuring tape as it goes down. Allow it to hang straight down and simply record the measurement where your measuring tape hits the top of your cardboard. This is your actual armhole depth measurement. In most patterns, you're going to have an armhole depth that is slightly longer than your actual armhole depth. This will allow for you to be able to move your arms freely and layer things underneath your sweaters.